G'day folks, how you going? SkyPilot here. I've got a little tiny race in my hand here, a little 2S, 1S Happymodel Crux3. I've recently just done a unboxing beta flight setup of this little bind and fly Happymodel unit. I've got the TBS crossfire on here, and I've mounted the stock standard rubber bands here for your LiPo mounting, sitting underneath in that configuration, using one of the rubber bands rather than two, so it means you've got 3 spare. The crossfire antenna, they do come loose, as you'll see if you check out my unboxing video. So I've mounted them underneath in sort of a regulation V. Well, it's sort of a V and with a bit of a kink in it, so I'm not too sure how that's going to go. Not an ideal setup for your TBS, however I think it'll be just fine for the distance we're going to fly here today. If you got one of these guys, they're fairly new, drop us a comment, let me know your thoughts. So let's get the LiPo hooked up. I'm going to fly a 2S 450 milliamp bonker underneath, fairly lightweight. Hopefully it's going to complement this lightweight quad quite well, as it weighs next to nothing. Let's get up in the sky, let's get some FPV going, see how she flies. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Let's get cracking. Okay, I've got and mounted mine underneath in that configuration. I don't think it matters too much. Let's go. Okay, crossfire's connected. Quick line of sight first, make sure everything's good. Woo! Okay. Sweet. It looks pretty cool. Feels pretty good. Okay. Let's not burn up our 2S because I'm not sure how long it's going to last. Let's get the goggles going. Ooh, certainly a nippy little flyer. Okay. 200 milliwatt VTX, guys. And we'll just see how far we can go with that. It's probably about normal over here. Feels pretty sharp. It's whoa, wowzers, that's fast, guys. Okay, the wind might be throwing me around a bit. Get a bit of height on us. She's a fast little flyer, folks. I think it's quite cool though. I think it's fairly decent. See how far we can go with our VTX. I think this is just about going to be it over here. Yeah, let's not push it. A bit of a punch out. Yeah, that's decent. That's decent, guys. I'm pretty happy with that. It is a fairly small lightweight unit, as you would have seen if you've checked out some reviews of this. It's been out for a couple of weeks now. Props in view, no drama. I don't have a problem with that. I think that's really good. It's nice to have a look at the props, see what they're doing. If you're just getting into the hobby and you don't want to spend too much money, guys, yeah, this is probably something you should look at. Fun little flyer, heck around your backyard or your local oval. Have some fun, do some flips, do some turns. Does them really, really well. Actually, because of its lightweight design, it actually does really nice slow and steady rolls and tumbles and flips. I'll keep going until I get a battery warning. See how long this bonker 2S lasts me for. I'll have a link down below. So sorry, I have a link down below where you can get it from, guys, if you're interested. Just having a listen to that aeroplane. I've had lots of aeroplanes and helicopters over here in the last day or two because we've had some pretty bad fires going on. I'm not too concerned about my 0 RSI as I'm running TBS Crossfire. This fly's really nice, guys. This is cool. 6-minute flight time too so far. Is fairly decent. I'm expecting to get a warning any tick of the clock. It is a bit windy here. I did get a little bit caught out then by the wind. Okay. A little bit of feedback coming in. Let's just go to a lap, shall we? Getting really good flight time here, guys. I've had a couple of people say the flight time of this thing is rubbish, but you can see for yourself I'm pushing 7 minutes now on this Bonker 2S, 450 milliamp. Nothing tardy about that at all. Okay, that's what I was looking for. 7.5 minutes, guys. Let's bring it home and do a finish off. Crux3, guys. Yeah, this thing is nice. Light, nippy, really well priced. If you're just getting into the sport, awesome. I'll do my standard VTX antenna mods on it, do some prop mods on it. I like it. Good fun. Really good fun, guys, the Crux3. What a cool little racer. Great stuff. See you next time, see you soon. Take it easy. Bye for now. And if you want a top tip about storing it, if you do mount your antenna in the configuration that I have here underneath, it means it's nice and flat, and then it will just sit straight into the stock foam, the carry case it comes with. You just turn the foam upside down, stick it in there head first, good to go.